Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Wellness Apple. Today we are going to talk about proteins. Yes, proteins are one of the essential nutrients in our daily diet. They form the one of the major portions, or also called as macronutrients, because they are required in larger quantity. So why these proteins are required to have in our daily diet? Like, you must have heard many people saying how protein. So what are the role of protein? So protein has various roles in different organs, different systems within our body. In different phases they perform different activities. Like when we are in our childhood, they help us to grow and to become adult. When we are adult, it helps to maintain various bodily functions and increase the reproductive system performance. So those kind of different roles are performed by this protein. So we'll look into more detail and more specifics about these proteins. So one of the key function of protein is the body support. So basically, when we look at muscles, those muscles are made up of proteins. The muscles are made up of small or tiny cells, and that this is major portion is made up of proteins, different types of proteins. So these proteins are, they have, like, the proteins which are present in the muscle, they have different role as compared to the proteins which are present in other parts of the body. So the muscle proteins, they gives us strength, flexibility, those kind of features which are required for the muscle, those are provided by these proteins present in the muscle. Okay. After that, the next function of proteins is immunity development. So when we say immunity, what is this immunity exactly? So immunity is basically production of some cells or some products which helps to fight toxins which are created within the body, or to fight some uh, bacteria, viruses, this kind of organisms which are harmful to our body. So how does this immunity functions? So whenever this antigen comes in, or this bacteria and viruses, they enters into our body produces certain kinds of proteins. So these proteins are antibodies. These antibodies go and fight with this microorganisms, bacteria and viruses. So this is how the protein plays a role in development of the immunity. Then the next function is into expression of DNA. So we have numerous genes in our body, but not so how these genes function? The genes, it's like a code. It's a some kind of code which is translated. It's a kind of security code which then get converted into proteins. It creates proteins, and those proteins perform different functions in various parts of the body. So this is how this gene to protein translation works, and which helps the body. Okay. Then the next function is into creation of enzymes which are essential for digestion. So whenever we eat something, right from the mouth to our stomach and into intestine, certain kind of chemicals are produced. These chemicals help in breaking down, that is digestion of the food. So these proteins come and they break. So when these proteins called as enzymes. So this is how proteins play a role in our digestive system. These different organs like thyroid or adrenal gland or hypothalamus gland, these are different glands which produces certain kind of chemical, again made up of proteins, which kind of triggers different functions or different reactions in our body. So these chemicals are called hormones, and these hormones regulate our body to perform in various way in various situations, depending on the various requirements of the body. They perform different functions, and this is made up possible with the help of proteins. So that's why it's essential to have proteins in our diet. Protein is not just the source of energy, it has much bigger role, much bigger functions rather than just creating the energy for the body. So that's why proteins are essential for our body. If you have any protein related questions or you want to clarify your doubts about proteins, you can ask your question in the comment box and I will reply to your question. That's all for the day. Thank you.